This here's a job we went on a few weeks ago. This guy had his drain in his basement back up sewage. We basically had a couple inches of raw sewage that we ended up doing what we call a 2-foot flood cut. Cut out all the affected carpet and pad. And we do what we call a biowash. We clean with hot steam and antimicrobials. And he wanted us to put him back together. So we made some videos here of some of the drywall work we're doing, and I'll have another video out later after we get carpet and get some painting done and need to get him a couple new doors.